Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change the refresh rate of your display on Windows. So go to Settings, then go to System. On left tab select Display and scroll all the way down and go to Advanced Display Settings. In this refresh rate menu, you can select any other refresh rate that is available. My display does not have any refresh rate available, so I'm stick to 60 Hz. But if your display supports higher refresh rates and you are a gamer, it's better to upgrade to the higher refresh rate. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.